Hey guys, I'm your tech consultant and you are watching my official YouTube channel. In this video, I will be discussing a very important concept and tool in Adobe Photoshop. As you know, we are learning Adobe Photoshop for a long time and we are discussing many things one by one. So today, I am going to discuss about the gradient. So first of all, this is background layer and I will convert unlock this layer so I can rename this layer as gradient. So for gradient we have to click here. This is the gradient option and you can see this is basically background layer and we cannot apply on this. So we have to use another layer to apply gradient on it. This would be background and this layer could be the gradient. So let's apply the gradient over here. For applying the gradient, you will just draw a line in any direction and gradient will be applied. And the color of gradient will be depending on these two colors. You can see the background color. One color is appearing on the outside, the background color is appearing on the center and the white color is appearing on the corners. So we can reverse these, and if we let me press Ctrl Z to reverse the changes, and if now I will apply the gradient, you can see the gradient will be reverses. The white is in between, and green is black is outside. So if I have to change the color of this gradient, I can just select any color. For example, I have selected this color, and instead of white I am selecting red color, for example, red color, blue. Okay, I will select the blue color. Okay, if I will select this color, this is white and I will convert it into green. And let me change this color to blue. So you can see the two colors has been selected, and if I will Ctrl Z, this changes, and I will draw a line, and you can see this gradient is formed with these two colors, and I can reverse these colors to reverse this selection. So this was how we can add the colors in this gradient. So now we will discuss the types of gradient. For that I will just remove this, and you can see this is the different type of gradient. This is called linear, this is called radial, this is called the angular, this is reflected, and this is diamond. So let us discuss one by one. If we draw a line, you can see we have a gradient. This is called the linear gradient, and in linear gradient you have to keep in mind, if you will press Control and if you will hold and press Shift, this line will be drawn in a very linear way, and this will be created a very uniform type of gradient. But if you are not pressing Shift, this line will move any direction, so this will not remain a linear, and that you can see the gradient is not uniform on the image. So if you want to obtain a uniform image on your gradient, you will press and hold the Shift to draw a straight line. So you can see This is a uniform type of gradient. So I will delete this again and I will show you the radial gradient, and radial gradient is shown like this, and you can reverse these selections to change this gradient. So this was radial gradient, and I will show the angular gradient to you. This is angular gradient. If you will go to the reflected, and reflected will be like this. You can see the center is green and outside both of the sides are similar, and these are whitish. So we can select the diamond. Diamond will be similar to the radial, but it will be diamond shaped. So we can use this gradient by anyways. So there are the many things present here. One is screen opacity. You can select the opacity of gradient. You can reverse. These are the basically reverse of the colors. If you will use reverse option, you have the reverted type of gradient. So now you can see that this is background and this is foreground, and background color is given to the back and foreground is colored in the mid. So if we press reverse, this colors will be reversed. So we can select the opacity, we can select the transparency of this gradient. So we can go for more gradients. Like if we click here, and there are many gradient presets already saved, and we can select anyone and we can make corrections in that. For example, we go to the settings. If you will double click on this, another window is appearing here, and you can edit it from here too. These are basically the colors. So this will be the color. Like if I will press here, this color is white. We can change this color into the red. So this gradient has been changed to red. We can use this, and we can click here, and this will be saved as a new. But I wanted to tell you one thing more. We can add more colors here. For that, we will press Alt and then we will click here. Another such type of handle is added, and we can add another color in this handle. Like I am adding this color, and I can also add another handle here. I will just press Alt and then I will click here, and I can select any color here. Like I will add a blue color here, for example. And so you can see we have added these three colors in this, and when our gradient is complete, what we will do, we will just click on new. We can name it. For example, I can name it 4 colors. For example, 4 colors, and I will click new, and you can see this is created as a new gradient. So I will click here and I will press OK. Now for example, let me delete it, and let's apply a radial gradient by pressing shift. So you can see we have created this sort of gradient with the 4 different colors. So we can use this gradient tool to make the background of our image. We can play with it and we can learn a lot. So if you need any help during this gradient or any tool that we have already discussed in Adobe Photoshop, just feel free to comment in the comment box, and we will reply you as soon as possible. So we will come with another video. So till then, stay blessed.